100 years is what we about. It's what we said from day one. From the first time I was checking you out to the last stupid fight, I just needed you to say some, anything or everything. Can fix it all instantly, no more arguing. Feel like anything, I was texting, was digging this grave deeper, what's a procedure? I'm running out of patience, man. Try to cut off all contact, couldn't do it. Told myself enough is enough and that I could get through it. She said leave me alone. But the next day you texted my phone. I remember driving you home, we sat in silence. Then you broke down and said you're really not gonna try. Regardless anything I say you think is a lie. Getting off the freeway, this is goodbye. Bye. But it wasn't, we talked it out. Told each other real shit and we laughed it out. I told her we can make it work, we just gotta try. I know we see eye to eye and you don't want other guys, I'm blind. Cause I got a woman, she got me smiling like a ray. Cause I'm feeling foolish, I don't want it any other way. So come fly with me, in other words, one day you might be the bride to be. Yeah, I want nothing more. You and music are the only things that I'm sure about. I want nothing more. You and music are the only things that I'm sure about. 100 years is what we about. Feeling good knowing that I don't have any doubts. 4 a.m. in my bed and we still talking up to get up for work and a couple hours sleepwalking. Talking about seeing the world, experience it all. Can you please never go, I'll be waiting for your call. Can't wait for the days we're living on tour. We can get drunk and explore.
Just do it!
Chú hai, không đâu không? Jangan ikut dia tu. Jadi, pintu. Lupa. Video coba ni. Apa ke? Video lagi. Tidak apa-apa kita buat. Dia dah yang lain lah. Tim kempur.
Wih, pegawai dah ni. Apa ni?
Ya, foto Pak kata Bang. Blur.
Pak Kadis Bakti. Apa baju tirau no? Si mirah-mirah di kongkai.
Ya, saya benar-benar.